You know what? Let's try the other one. I'm going to cut the other one, and I'm going to try to just use less of the black. Let me just get this off of me now. Welcome back to the workbench, where we try to make things. And what we're trying to make right now is Revell's 1971 Mach 1 Mustang. And this is for the Blue Ox Model Shop's Street Machine group build. And we finally got back to work on it. So I've had some things going on in life, including computer crashes, or more than crash. What would you call it? Computer deaths, I guess would be the way to say it. So I've had to pull out some laptops and get things together. So hopefully this video has been edited for you guys. But we are back to work on the 71 Mach 1 finally. And it feels good actually to get back to work. But where were we at? I got to get catch myself back up where we were. And where we were was trying to get the body painted. And we ran into an issue where when I was touching up the black paint here on the rockers, I pulled a little bit of our decal. So we were trying to figure out how we're going to fix this decal, and kind of came up with 3 different methods, or 3. I think I have basically 3 different options. One was to use some a chrome paint pen, tape it off, chrome paint pen. I had worried about the chrome, so we ran an experiment, and we'll see the results of that here in just a second. Also, I went down to AutoZone and I got some pinstriping. So this is just silver pinstripe. Hopefully, let me show you down here. Might be able to see it a little better, which I think looks pretty good. It actually looks pretty much exactly the same as the third option, which was to try to cut the silver stripe out of this decal here and use it. And they look pretty much kind of the same. I was hoping this might look more like a polished, like a stainless steel. But I did, I went what they had at AutoZone, and this is what they had, and it's not bad. It's not a bad option. So I think either one of these options will work, and we'll look at what I've decided we're gonna do. But first, I wanted to show the results of the chrome experiment I was running. So I put this blob of chrome down. I'm showing it down below, so the glare I think will be less from the lights. Let's see. So this, where's my little screwdriver I can point with? It should show up. This is the glob I put down about 5 days ago. Didn't touch it, never touched it. You know how this stuff is. I did not touch it, and then went clear straight over it, and you can see it basically turned it into silver paint. So this is, I literally just laid this down, so you can see, hopefully you can see it glimmer in the light, how this is chrome, and with the silver over this, it literally just turns into silver, just silver paint. It loses that kind of, that chrome sheen, that mirror look to it. Hopefully you can see that. So what we have here is basically just silver paint. And I plan on, I guess I could try to put the chrome on top of the clear, very last step. I don't know if I want to do that. So at the end of the day, what we have is just silver paint. So what's the point? I might as well just use the silver pinstripe, or what I think we're going to do, just the silver stripe, the decal. So basically this is, we had 2 options. You had the option of just the silver, where you paint your own black, which is what we did, or you could do the decal that includes the black. But if we just cut that off, cut the black out of there, I think we'll be okay. I wonder which one is this supposed to be, in fact. This one. Okay, so we'll be okay with just using this one for there. And I thought what we would do real quick, let's just do it. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this, let's see if we can get this off. I don't know the best way. I wonder if we kind of wet it. That might help. Can we get it to kind of loosen up? Again, I haven't cleared over this. I haven't done anything. It's just decals laying on there. And I didn't really think about it when I taped over top of him. I should have gone ahead and cleared these. See how I think I'm gonna be able to just peel this off. Let's see. Again, keep wetting it. Some of it might be better stuck than the rest. I don't want to necessarily take an X-Acto or anything to it, because I don't want to scrape. I just finished painting. I just finished retouching the black paint that I had nicked up through all the process of taking the chassis in and out. I sure don't want to nick it up again, and then have to go through this whole process again. That's not what I want to do. I want to keep moving forward, but I think I'm going to have to try, if I keep the blade here where, in other words, the new silver decal will go, I should be okay, I think, to try to peel this guy up. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it would just come up real easy the way the other part came off. All right, come on, keep coming. I just don't want to scratch up black paint that needs to it needs to stay there. I don't want to, you know what I mean? I don't want to have to retouch black again. We're slowly getting it. I could lay the new decal maybe just right on top. I don't know if that would actually be that big a deal. Might be what I end up doing. In fact, let's try that. I think that I don't think we're going to be able to see it under there, especially once we start clearing over top of it. So let's actually try that. We decided it was this one that we want. What I didn't do, I have this straight edge here I can use to try to cut this. I think these other ones had a little bit of black still on the underside. In fact, I think they did, and I actually put them on upside down. See how there's black on that side of the silver? Let me see this one. Yeah, so I need some black on there. So let's do this. Let's leave a little bit of the black showing. Can y'all see? I probably not, can't even see what I'm doing. I'm gonna leave a little bit of that black showing so that I have that kind of black reveal up top. I think right there is gonna be fine. Carefully cut this. I'm gonna cut it like that. Did I get that all the way through? Not really. Cut it all the way through, like so. Now I don't want that. Yeah, I need to, so this side's fine. I don't want this little, I don't know if you guys see it. Let me show you down below. There's a little bit of black. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. There's a little bit of black right there. I want to cut that off, and I think I can just do that like so. And that seems, let me just look at the other side. How we have it. I want to try to match these, so I'm going to try to, see, that's got too much of an angle. Yeah, I need to cut this one just up a little bit like this. Right about there, I think. All right, let's try it. Let's see how it works out. I mean, we have this other one. I guess we could use any of this also if we need to. But let's see. I've got a little bit of water here. Let's see how well this will work for us. I think, yeah, like I said, I think I'll just lay it right on top. I have way too much black there, don't I? I might put that black to the bottom. We'll see. Okay, let's let that, I think I'm gonna put it this way. I'm gonna put the black to the bottom. There is a little black outline to this, so I think that'll be fine. Get off me. And we'll see what we think. You know, will we ever notice? Yeah, see, we don't have as much black. I wish we did. Yeah, I'm trying to straighten that out. We don't have as much of that black. See, you can see it. Let me flip it over and see if it's gonna be too much. Right through the water. I think what I might have cut has too much black, so we need something in between, or maybe not. I don't know. Let's see. I mean, that's definitely too heavy now. You know what? Let's try the other one. I'm going to cut the other one, and I'm going to try to just use less of the black. Let me just get this off of me now. So what I think we'll do, Get off of me. There we go. Yeah, let me cut this one, but try to leave less black reveal. I think I can just cut it the exact same way I just did. So let's go, but with less of the black like that. I don't know how well you guys can see. I'm trying to make it so I can see. Hopefully you guys can too. I think that's going to be good right there. Yeah, like that. And then I'm going to kind of do the same thing. I'm going to cut these a little bit squarer. Oop. Right there. Cut that. And then I'm going to cut this a little more square here. Okay, let's see how this one works. I think it's going to be better. I think that looks like a heavy black too. It's just hard to cut that thin. I think it's better than the one previous. Yeah, for sure. I can see it floating in the water there. I think that's going to be better. I think so. I think it's what we're going to go with. I think it's going to be as good as it gets. So let's see if we can get this. Okay, yeah, there we go. See, let's get it laid in and we'll see what we think. And then we'll probably be out of time. Let's see if I can get it nice and straight. I think that's going to be okay. Yep, I think that's going to be okay. Here, let me show you down below. I don't know, is there enough light down here? Hopefully you can kind of see that. I think that looks all right. There's probably a little bit more black on the top side, but I don't think it's noticeable. I think I'm going to go with that. I'm going to let that sit. I'm going to let that dry up. And then what I'm going to have to do now is to clear it. I'm going to clear over top of it once that's dry. I'll give it some of the red, a little bit of a wet sand, a good cleaning. And then I'm going to spray clear, and that'll set those decals, and then start working the clear from there. So I'll put quite a few layers of clear on them. I think I'm just going to use the Decal clear, the same as the red and the black that we've been using. That makes sense to me. But I'll start doing that actually probably in the morning. The problem is it's so hot here, and my booth is out in the garage, and it's just so hot. I can only really do it in the morning. I've got a small portable AC unit that I put on and can put on in the morning, and it gets it a little bit cool and dry enough to be able to spray right now. So I probably won't be able to shoot it till the morning, but I can get all the sanding and the prep work and all that done this evening. I'll get that done before tomorrow. Thank you for joining me. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you think it turned out. I think it's going to be just fine. Leave me your opinion down below. I'd like to hear what you have to say. Hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell. I don't know. Do all those things they tell you to do on YouTube, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.